After a brief catch-up with Mr. Oz Adventure and crew at the Border Loop Lookout, Paul and I continued north into Queensland. There's a bit of a mudslide. This was why the road's been closed for months since the floods. Okay, hide your rabbits, get out your cane toads. We're in Queensland. And stopped for a bite to eat at Rathdowney. After which I decided to check out the Captain Logan Lookout. There's a few mountains and quite a lot blocked by trees. I know where there's a better view. What a beautiful spot. Did a bit of droning and took a few shots. Enjoyed that immensely. Should we have a sticky beak?
Let's have a sticky beak.
Yeah.
It sort of looks like it gets to that ridge and then that'll be it, I reckon.
Yeah, or maybe even that farm, but it says it's a road. I'm not sure how far we should go.